Living in Palmetto Bay means enjoying warm coastal breezes, lush landscapes, and plenty of sunshine year-round. However, South Florida's heat and humidity can also drive up energy bills if your home isn't properly protected. One of the most effective ways to improve comfort and reduce energy costs is by installing energy-efficient vinyl windows. For Palmetto Bay homeowners, vinyl windows offer a smart, long-term solution that balances performance, durability, and savings. Keeping the heat outside where it belongs in a warm climate like Palmetto Bay, controlling indoor temperatures is essential. Vinyl windows are designed with excellent insulation properties that help limit heat transfer. Unlike aluminum frames, which can conduct heat, vinyl frames act as a thermal barrier. This means less outside heat enters your home, allowing your air conditioning system to work more efficiently. Modern vinyl windows often feature multi-chambered frames and advanced glass options, such as double or triple pane designs. These features create insulating air pockets that slow down heat flow, keeping your home cooler during hot afternoons and warmer during cooler evenings. Lower energy bills all year long. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl windows is their ability to reduce monthly energy costs. When less heat enters your home, your air conditioner doesn't have to run as often or as long. Over time, this reduced workload can lead to noticeable savings on your energy bills. For Palmetto Bay homeowners who rely heavily on air conditioning, even small efficiency improvements can add up quickly. Vinyl windows help maintain consistent indoor temperatures, reducing energy waste and making your home more cost-effective to operate throughout the year. Improved comfort in every room. Energy efficiency isn't just about saving money, it's also about comfort. Old or inefficient windows can create hot spots, drafts, and uneven temperatures from room to room. Vinyl windows help eliminate these issues by providing a tighter seal and better insulation. With vinyl windows installed, your home feels more balanced and comfortable. Rooms that once felt too warm during the day or stuffy in the evening become more enjoyable spaces for relaxing, working, or entertaining guests. Protection against humidity and moisture. Palmetto Bay's coastal environment brings high humidity levels that can affect window performance. Vinyl windows are naturally resistant to moisture, which helps prevent warping, rotting, and corrosion. This resistance allows vinyl frames to maintain their insulating properties over time, ensuring consistent energy efficiency year after year. By keeping moisture out and maintaining a secure seal, vinyl windows also help reduce the strain on your HVAC system and support better indoor air quality. Long-lasting performance with minimal maintenance. Vinyl windows are built to last in Florida's demanding climate. They don't require painting or sealing, and their energy-efficient performance doesn't fade easily over time. Because the frames maintain their shape and integrity, they continue to provide a tight seal that prevents air leaks. This long-term durability means homeowners can enjoy energy savings without worrying about constant repairs or declining performance, making vinyl windows a dependable investment. A smart energy upgrade for Palmetto Bay homes. For homeowners in Palmetto Bay, vinyl windows offer an ideal combination of energy efficiency, comfort, and value. By reducing heat transfer, lowering energy bills, and maintaining indoor comfort, vinyl windows help create a more efficient and enjoyable living environment. Whether you're upgrading older windows or building a more energy-efficient home, vinyl windows provide lasting benefits that support both your comfort and your budget, making them a smart choice for life in Palmetto Bay.